What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the Cupra Formentor VZ Tribe Edition. Yes, the Cupra Formentor just got a new special edition trim in Europe called the Tribe Edition based on the VZ trim. And this is a new Tribe Edition that adds unique styling touches and extra kit inside of the cabin. Now note, this is not the first special edition based on the Cupra Formentor VZ, as we first got the copper and black edition models. Now the Tribe Edition is distinguished by the cliff gray exterior shade, also available in midnight black, combined with matte black accents on the grille, mirrors, plastic cladding, and brake calipers. There's also a new set of 19-inch wheels that are finished in black. Now inside, the model sports fine Napa leather upholstery, bucket seats, a heated and leather-wrapped steering wheel, dark aluminum pedals, and copper stitching all around the cabin. Now, standard equipment includes the 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and the 12-inch infotainment touchscreen display. Now, the VZ Tribe Edition is available with two powertrain options. The plug-in hybrid powertrain produces a combined 241 horses, 180 kilowatts, 245 PS, and 370 newton meters, 273 pound-feet of torque from the 1.4 TSI petrol engine and a single electric motor sending power to the front axle through a 7-speed DSG. Now the ICE-powered version is more powerful with a 2.0 TSI petrol engine producing 306 horsepower, 228 kilowatts, 310 PSI, and 400 newton meters, 295 pound-feet of torque. Now in this case, power is transmitted to all four wheels through a DSG-7 and a 4-drive all-wheel drive system. Now, the Cupra Formentor VZ Tribe Edition is already available to order in most European markets, including Spain, Germany, France, and the Netherlands, according to the local websites. Now, in its home market in Spain, pricing starts from 52,333 euros, $56,930 for the PHEV, and 54,673 euros, $59,476 for the 2.0 TSI. Now, those figures place it right in the middle between the entry-level Formentor 1.5 TSI at 33,040 euros, $35,943, and the performance flagship Formentor VZ5 with the 2.5 TSI at 72,645 euros, $79,027. Now, despite the fact that it was originally introduced in 2020, the Cupra Formentor crossover is up for a forthcoming facelift alongside the Cupra Leon and the fully electric Cupra Born, benefiting with the new design language of the Spanish brand. Now, the Cupra lineup will soon be expanded with the addition of the Terramar hybrid SUV and the fully electric Tavascan. Now, with that said, what do you guys think about the updates to the new Tribe Edition for Cupra? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the Cupra Formentor VZ Tribe Edition. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel, help support the channel. Appreciate that love, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and check out my social media links below as well. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.